Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coding with Nishan. Today is lesson 9 and we are going to learn about loops, for loops. What is for loop? What is stride? For loop with array, how we gonna use that? For loop with dictionary, how we deal dictionary with the loop. Okay, so let me start. Okay, just take a simple example. Print Peter. Okay, let's do that. What you see? You are saying name is printed once. Just suppose you have to print something, not just one statement, there can be any statement repeatedly. Okay, so boom, 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 boom. Let's run that and let's see. It works. See, it works. But don't you think this is something, it's quite boring and this is not a good practice, because we have other things which we can use to perform this task in lesser code and that is called good practice and clean code. This practice is not good. Okay, so just let me give you an example how loops work. Okay, how loop starts. Okay, so for num in 120 print Peter. Okay, now I'm going to remove this part. Okay, so if I have to print my name 20 times, where loops comes in a picture. Okay, let's go ahead. Boom, can you see that? Okay, so now you understand what is loop. So anything which you have to iterate repeatedly, or anything you want to perform a task which is like more than one time and 10 times or 20 times, in that case you can use a loop. Okay, so what is for, what is this, what is in, what is this particular thing? Okay, so for is a loop and num is a, for loop is means its name is for loop, it's a keyword. Num is a integer, I mean like variable, you can take any variable, num I, ba, my variable, my age, or any variable you can declare here. Okay, and this is lower range and this is upper range. Okay, so lower range means your loop will start from 1, you can make it 5 also, you can make it 10 also, so it will start from the lower to higher. Okay, so look, so this is the lower range, 3 dots, remember that there are 3 dots, and then upper range, how many times your loop will run, and this is start braces and end braces. Inside that you can perform multiple tasks which is going to be repeat. Okay, so this is something very simple example. You can so I will hold the value of this number of times. So if you directly print I, let's see what happened. Okay, boom, 1 to 20. Okay, so 1 to 20 times it will repeat. It will start 1, it will come here, then again go back up, then again second time 2, 3, 4, 5 till 20. This is how loops work. Okay, now if you want to do some even number print, okay, you just wanted to print a even number, how you do that? Okay, for I in stride. Okay, so this will suggest you how you can write this. So this is the signature. Stride means this is from. From means you can start with 0 till 20 and you want to skip by 2. Okay, similarly now print I. Let's see what happens. Okay, see. Okay, just comment this to avoid any confusion and let's see. 0, 2, 4, all even numbers. And similarly you can change the range also. Okay, so let's do this way. Okay, starting range will be 20, ending range will be 1 or 0, and put -2, and let's see how it works. Boom, 20, 18. So it's in reverse order now. Okay, so now you know the for and stride, the difference between both. Now same thing we will do by using array and dictionary. Okay, just suppose you will create one array my details. Okay, equal to, this is array. If anybody doesn't know what is array, in that case click on a top right and go my check video which I have made for array and dictionary. Okay, on a top right I will provide you the link. Okay, so name Peter, age 20, resident Chicago. Okay, so these are your details. Okay, my details. Okay, how you iterate these details? By using for loop. Okay, similarly what you have to do, just create one for loop for details in my details, start bracket, in bracket. Okay, now you print your values. These are details. Okay, now run and let's see. Boom, pretty straightforward, right? So how we use for loop with array. Now similar example, how you use array with dictionary. Okay, name. Age. Location. Okay, everything seems correct. Yeah. So similarly, if you don't know what is dictionary, so I have already created one video. I will provide that also in the same link. Okay, so that you have good understanding of array and dictionary, so that you can easily use this loop. Okay, now let's go. My details. Okay, we cannot use my details again because it's already there. My all details. Okay, let's put this way. Okay, now again create for details in my all details, and bracket start, bracket in. Okay, now my details dot enumeration. enumerated. Okay, so you will enumerate this so you can get two details. One is index value, second one is uh, index means key value and its value, index and key both. Okay, now print, you will get, okay, so here because it's a key value pair, so you have to use something like, I'm sorry, I missed that information. Key value. Okay, similarly key print value. Okay, now I'm going to hit run and let's see. Can you see that? Age 20, location Chicago, name Peter. Okay, so I think you have clear understanding of for loop, how we use for loop, how we, any repetitive task which you want to perform more than one time, then we can use for loop, how you can deal with the dictionary, how you can use array with the for loop. So I think you have good understanding of for loop. If still you have any question, you can comment down below. I will be more happy to help you out. Okay, and one more thing, it's a request, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be updated of my future videos. Thank you, have a good one, bye.